Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Android Wizardry. With this video we are starting a new series of to-do list application. In this series you are going to learn how to implement a recycler view, how to use room database, how to do CRUD operations on your room database, and how to update your room database whenever a list item is updated in your recycler view. So how to do all these things. So the main focus of this to-do list series is to learn recycler view and room database. So without wasting any more time, let's get into our Android Studio. So first of all, we are going to create a basic UI in our main activity. So what I want is there will be a edit text field, there will be a button, and there will be a recycler view. So here we have created our very basic UI. So here is our edit text which we are going to use to enter list item, to enter a recycler view item. Then here is our button, add button, which we are going to use to add it to our recycler view, and here is this basic recycler view. So before moving forward, we will see what is a recycler view. Recycler view is a flexible, efficient, and powerful widget used to display large data sets in a scrollable list or a grid format. It is advanced version of list view and grid view, and it is part of Android Jetpack libraries. For this video we are going to create one more UI, and that UI we are going to use to represent each list item. So recycler view is basically an advanced version of list view, so it's kind of a list. So each list item should be represented with some view. So now we are going to create that layout as well. So in our layout we are going to create a new resource layout file, and we are going to name it as recycler view item layout. So we have created our recycler view item layout, a delete button to delete that item, a checkbox to select that item, and a text view which will show the text of that item. So in this video we have created just a simple UI for our to-do list application, and in our next video we are going to implement our recycler view. So that's all for this video guys, and see you all in the next video.